Hi everyone, my name is Mazazaman bin Abdul Malik, Master Student Project Management from Open University Malaysia, Branch Johor Bahru. Today I would like to present my paperwork under subject International Project Management with title Complete Management in Construction and Commissioning of Upgrading Bunkering System at ASB Labuan JV Terminal. Today we will discuss the following items: definition of complete, project introduction, cause of conflict in project, factors lead to conflict, impact of conflict, prevention and control strategies, and the last one, we go to conclusion. Now we go to chapter 1, definition of conflict. Conflict seems to very synonym with construction project and giving the impression of problem includes in increasing project costs, project delay, reduced productivity, loss of profit, or damage in business relationship. The main goal of this paper is to overview the factors of the conflict in construction industries. We have three types of conflicts: behavioral problem, contractual problem, and technical problem. Under chapter 2, project introduction, oil and gas field today are being developed in even harness and more challenging environment than everyone had thought of before. New design, technologies, regulation and requirement have been developed and implemented around these that change. As a result of harsh condition, the contractor will experience a lot of challenge in terms of design and maintenance integrity. Project location. The PCC bunkering project at ASB Asia Supply Base Labuan in East Malaysia covers fundamental important aspect of work scope. This is a top view area bunkering system at ASB Labuan JV Terminal at Labuan, East Malaysia. Schedule of execution. For general, we take 20 days. Preparation of procurement and fabrication, 25 days. Fabrication and erection work activity, we take 50 days. Preparation shutdown or tie-in, 10 days. Mechanical shutdown, 2 days. And housekeeping, 3 days. Now we discuss for the chapter 3, cause of conflict in project. Number 1, difference of employee group. Fabrication, construction or any project about working in a team, it is necessary to have knowledge and skilled workers to make their own assessment and their oriented. Differences in group work can occur when two groups or more different employees do not work as there is difference between them. Employees who cannot be team players and along construction workers make construction work much harder than they need. Number 2, lack of communication. Communication between the two parties is most important to those who work in the project sector. Can be most expensive for people who work in any construction or project. Conflict number 3, poor leadership. The project manager must have the capability and ability to lead the employee towards the implementation of project to be completed. Conflict number 4, conflict disagreement. When there is a conflict at the construction site or any project, everyone should work together to find solution to overcome the problems. All parties must work together to resolve the prevailing conflict. Material preparation. Preparation of work material for the project is one of the key points that should be taken into account in any construction project. Preparation of the workpiece is the most important element for the workers in starting the workflow. Quality of work. The final quality of work done by contractor who do not meet the standard set is one of the most common conflict in the project management. Safety issues. Workplace safety issues are one of the most frequent conflicts of workplace between workers and security personnel. Now we discuss the factor leads to conflict. For group differences, work at any time usually come from different level of education, race, as well as language. At this time, there will be a variety of culture and group under construction led by these workers. Lack of communication. The weakness in communication between management and employee is one of the reasons for slowness the project implementation. Poor leadership. Project managers need to provide very clear direction and need to monitor project progress over time to ensure that everything is working smoothly. The ability of project manager to provide the best quality and management of work in managing all available employees will complete the project on time in accordance with the schedule. Preparation of work material. Usually this problem happens due to financial constraint by the owner and also the contractor. This problem can be solved by providing adequate financial allocation by the owner without involving third parties, such as obtaining loan approval from the bank to be paid to contractor and suppliers. The contractor should also have a strong financial obligation to pay for materials from suppliers for any project they are undertaking. Preparation of material. This is important because the failure in preparation of workplace as scheduled will result in slowness in the cost of project completion according to a schedule. Quality of work. Poor working or non-compliance with the specification spec in the contract of work performed by the contractor will be rejected by the owner. It happens when the work will be done by the parties involved and will indirectly involve additional costs and will take longer for the project to be completed. Safety issues. Many workplace accidents occur due to the failure of the employee to comply with the safety regulation set out, such as not using proper mitigation tool during work. The work culture of the group of people will influence this element because the habit they are considered wearing safety equipment are extremely troublesome when doing some works. Now we go to the chapter 6, Prevention and Control Strategies. Different group of workers. Workers at a time usually come from different level of education, race, as well as language. At this time, they will be variety of culture and group under construction led by this worker. Lack of communication, providing incorrect or unclear instruction can be reset project. As a project manager, you need to communicate with each employee what to do, when necessary, and how they should solve it. A problem manager who failed to communicate in a clear will set out a project for failure. Poor leadership. Project managers need to provide very clear direction and need to monitor project progress over time to ensure that everything is working smoothly. The ability of project manager to provide the best quality and management of work in managing all available employees and we complete the project on time in accordance with the schedule set. Complete the agreement. When this complete of construction site at any project, everyone should work together to find solution to overcome the problem. All parties must work together to resolve the prevailing conflict. Preparation of work material. Preparation of work material is the most important element of the work in starting the workflow. This is important because the failure in preparation of workplace as scheduled will result in slowness in the schedule of work. Quality of work. This can be overcome if the initial monitoring of quality of work is always done by both parties, namely management and contractor, to maintain quality of work. Safety issues. This can be avoided if all parties, especially among employees, are adequately educated in terms of safety at the workplace and concerned in complying with the prescribed safety rules. Now we go to the conclusion. This paper significantly overview the factors of conflict in the construction industry, which is hoped to give a clear scenario to all project teams. Conflict would arise due to behavioral problems such as different group of workers, multicultural team, poor communication among project team, poor leadership, conflict, disagreement, preparation of work material, quality of work and safety issues. Besides that, conflict also arises due to the factors of contractual problems which include delayed interim payment from client fails to respond in timely manner, application and extension of time and proper project schedule. Other than that, contractor quality of work, error of pricing or costing, late instruction from architect or engineer also considered as the factor of conflict which is due to technical problem. This paper was hoped to be useful reference to the project team in managing conflict for future construction project. So that's all my presentation for this topic. If you have any inquiries regarding this matter, please do not hesitate to contact my email or OUM JB Johor Bahru. Thank you.